Hey there, kids. Today we're going to dive into the amazing world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. It's going to be a fun and exciting journey, so let's get started. So what exactly is AI? Well, AI is like teaching a computer to think and learn just like we do. Imagine having a robot friend who can help you with your homework or play games with you. Cool, right? Now you might wonder, how do we teach computers to learn? It's all about giving them lots and lots of information, like showing them pictures of cats and dogs until they can tell the difference. This process is called training. And just like how you get better at something, the more you practice, computers get better at tasks, the more they learn. So here we are at the climax of our story. This is the moment where everything comes together and the true power of AI is revealed. It's like the peak of a mountain where all the hard work pays off. Imagine a robot finally solving a puzzle it has been working on for days. Exciting, right? Now let's move on to the resolution. This is where the story starts to wrap up and we see the results of our efforts. Think of it as the moment when the robot, after solving the puzzle, shares the solution with everyone. It's a time for reflection and understanding. We realize how AI can help us in our daily lives, making things easier and more efficient. And finally, we reach the conclusion. Here we summarize everything we've learned and look forward to the future. AI is not just a tool, it's a partner in our journey. It helps us solve problems, learn new things, and even have fun. So remember, the world of AI is full of possibilities and we're just getting started. Thanks for joining us on this adventure.